Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Slack to Trello step by step. By integrating Slack with Trello, you can receive real-time updates, manage notifications, and improve team collaboration more efficiently. So let's get started. First, log into your Trello account. Click on the Settings option. Scroll down until you find the Workspace Settings section and look for the option to connect or add Slack. You will see a button labeled Add to Slack. Click on it. After clicking the button, a new window will open showing your available Slack workspaces. If the correct Slack workspace is already selected and you want to continue with it, simply click on Allow. If you want to connect a different Slack workspace, click on the workspace name and choose another workspace that you manage in Slack. Once you select the desired workspace, click Allow to grant the required permissions. After you click Allow, Slack will be successfully connected to your Trello workspace. Now you can start receiving updates and managing Trello activities directly from Slack. That's how you can easily connect Slack to Trello. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips.